In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make carousel images clickable in Squarespace. If you want people to be able to click on an image in your carousel and go directly to another page, product, or external website, Squarespace makes that possible through the gallery settings. The process is straightforward, and once you know where the option is, it only takes a few minutes to set up. To begin, go to the page where you want to add your image carousel and click on Add Section. This lets you insert a new content area into your page layout. If you already have a section in mind, just make sure you're editing in the correct place before continuing. Next, choose Images. This will open the image-related section options you can use on your site. Squarespace offers different visual layouts here, so you'll be selecting the one that works best for a carousel-style display. From there, select a template. This is the layout for how your images will appear. Choose the template that matches the style you want for your site. Since the goal is to make carousel images clickable, it's helpful to use a format that clearly showcases each image and makes interaction easy for visitors. Once the section has been added, click Edit Gallery. This is where you manage the images inside that gallery or carousel. You'll be able to adjust image-specific settings here, which is the key part of this setup. Now add a description to the image. This step is important because it helps organize your content and can also give context to what the image is about. Even if your description is short, it can make the gallery easier to manage, especially if you are working with multiple images. After that, click Attach Link. This is the setting that allows you to make the image clickable. Once selected, Squarespace will give you the option to connect that image to a destination. Then paste your link or link it to a page within your Squarespace site. You can send visitors to another section of your website, a product page, a contact page, or an external URL, depending on what you need. Just make sure the destination is correct so users land exactly where you want them to go. And that's it. Once your link is attached, your carousel image becomes clickable. If you're adding links to multiple images, repeat the same process for each one inside the gallery. This is a simple way to make your carousel more interactive and more useful for guiding visitors through your site.